yajna was Manushya yajna. Very, very importantly emphasized nowadays. Manushya is social services, or the worship, or the serving the, what is it called, guests, etc. Please note, one yajna is not substitute for another yajna. हम बोले श्राद्ध is there, Swami ji, I am going to donate clothes to poor people. See, donating clothes to poor people is good, but it is not substitute for Shraddha. Right? Eating is not substitute for breathing. Get my mind? Forget about that. Drinking water is not substitute for eating food for a long time. Or eating food is not substitute for taking the water. I did not get water, give me one more chapati. See, it's not like that. So, somebody said, Shraddh is there, Swamiji, Pandits don't get. Therefore, I am distributing poor clothes. Definitely you distribute, but don't mix the issues. Both are different, fruits are there. So, Manushya is there. Manushya means you are giving something to the people. Why? Because people around you are also a contributory. If proper neighbor is not there, he can create a lot of problem for you. They are also contributory. School also, teachers are there. Our friends are there. So many people outside also must have done something. So that is called Manushya, which is very important in our life. If Manushya is not there, you know what was the problem of Karna? Karna had been disrespected throughout his life. Being very talented and being very illustrious, brilliant, everybody he got insult only. Because in his previous life, he had not done Manushya yajna. He had not honored the people. He had not served the people. He had not given food to the people. He had not behaved well with the somebody. I don't know whom he didn't know. Why should I say? So something I have not done. Then this will happen, that Manushya yajna is also important. A place is known where woman is how much respected also. So that is the Manushya yajna is there. I hope it is clear. If Manushya yajna is done properly, at least you will have people who won't trouble you. Well, that means I have not done. So Manushya yajna is that. Manushya yajna is that through which you are able to repay. Many people are there who have done many things for you. And it is not right that we easily forget. Our culture was not of forgetting. We should be, please note, all this is not easy. That guest has come and you have to prepare food for him. Lazy person doesn't feed. Kanjoos and lazy people. He will always feel, hope I don't have to feed. He will not call also others. Other places he will go very fast. He will run to go, but if calling is there, he will think 50 times. And then also he won't call. Anyway, so that is not the Manushya yajna. Distribution of clothes is there, distribution of food is there, distribution of shoes is there, distribution of warm clothes are there. That is Manushya yajna has to be done. In other words, remember two things, gratitude and contribute. Okay, understand. I understand. Swamiji, I understand. So this is Manushya yajna has to be done. We cannot neglect any. Last yajna was Bhoot yajna. Nothing to do with Bhoot Pret. Bhoot means all form of contribution other than human beings. Will you again say? All contribution other than human being. Plant, animal, birds, they are also a part of a bigger family. They are also part of the family. If horses are not there, if cows and goats are not there, milk won't be there. We go to, Kailash, their yak is required. Yak. It carries the weight. Buffaloes are required. Or they say snakes are also required sometimes because they eat away the rat also. And they take away the poison from the air also. So they are also contributing unconsciously. Oh, I didn't know that. Yes. Trees are also contributing. Trees. If trees are not there, see what is happening now. Global warming has taken place because of absence of the trees all around. So that is also required. So I am not a selfish person. The main aspect of Karma Yoga is to sensitize our personality to become impersonal person. Well, again say, sensitize our personality to become impersonal person. Not a crystallized, egoistic, self-centered person. Oh, I understand. Rivers are also contributing. Rivers are also there. In India, many places, only river water is used. So, we remember all rivers, Gange, Yamuna, Chaiva, Godavari, Saraswati, etc. We remember that. So, this is called Uttam Karmani. If you don't remember all these things, it is a sign of selfishness. And selfish person, if selfish person cannot be happy because he won't get from outside, he will stop getting from outside. System does not give you too much if you don't give very fast. It is a recycling process. System, we cannot cheat this God. System does not give you too much if you are not giving to the system. Okay, you can't say I didn't get, you have to give it. To get, you have to, only one way is there, to get you have to give a lot. When you give a lot, you also will start getting a lot. So this is called Uttam Karmani, highest level of action. Huh? Bole, acha? All has to be there. So in India, somewhere pigeons are fed, dogs are fed. First roti goes to cow, last to dog. Nowadays we have become dog and cow both. Well, where is the cow here? Arey bhai, at least in the name of cow you can keep it. Well, who will eat that? We'll see later on. At least you can remember, okay. At least remember. That also you don't do. Well, a dog I give. No, your dog is because you have to keep that, maintain, therefore that is no fruit of giving. For nursing your dog, there is no fruit, don't worry. Because you are nursing because you want it to guard. Well, no, I love that. No, you love because that dog loves you, therefore. Cleverness doesn't work here, all this portion. This is the highest kind of action. Uttam Karmani. Achha, I have to rush now. Second was Madhyam Karmani, Sakam Karmani or Rajas Karmani. My family is of 3-4 people. I chunk of my money and chunk of my time goes 80 to 90% of my money, my time capacity goes only for my family. This is called Madhyam. 10% I can give to others. 5%. Acha? If I have earned 1 million, so how much you will give to the family? Out of 1 million, Swamiji, I will keep for my children about 950,000. Kitna percent hua? 95%. 95%. 5% I will do not. Chalo bhai, badi baat hai. 5% value will go. I will give to somebody who will call me as a chief guest. So, this is Sakam Karmani. Take photograph, I am donating clothes. Put in rising sun. Tomorrow I will give that. Tuesday. Sakam Karmani. Very little portion of the time I am giving to something external. Very little portion. Quite a life, 80 to 90% of my work is concentrated around 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. They take my whole time also. So I am very good in my material well-being, but either nil or little contribution is for a spiritual personality. There is no heart expansion project. But I am expanding what? House, bathroom. I have my house expanding project. I am expanding that lounge. That I will do. But when it comes to working for somewhere, then I start seeing time. 1 hour is gone. 1.5 hours have gone. Whole house, I will go to the contractor. I will bring him 8 hours, 9 hours, stand in the sun putting on one bat cap and I can do all that. But when it comes to doing for somebody else, I become conscious of money, conscious of time, conscious of everything. But still I give little. Not that I don't give, I give little of that. Very little. To satisfy, I have also given little time I give. A whole day, can you give to the mission or some institution? Whole day? I can't, sorry. I have no time. You can't give? No. Are come, distribute flyer. Acha, come clean the yard next Sunday. Not this one. Take a, what is that? Power pipe. Huh? High pressure pipe. Clean this here and there. But my self pressure is too high. Acha, do one thing. What? Go to the temple. Sit there. Well, all these things I can't do. I can come for some time. I can come. Limited time. Acha, so much money you have. Give little money. Other work is going on. I'll give little money. If I spend this much on my family, I'll give this much. Yeah, ये proportion है. Out of what I earn, I give 2%, 1%. At least I give something. I'm very satisfied. I also gave that day. So, chalo bhai, madhyam karmani is there. Very nil or little spiritual growth, but focused on tremendous material growth. How much time you have given to your children and wife? Out of that time, not even 5% time we have given to selfless service. Hope I am not wrong. For admitting the child, we drive the child. Useless son. And we drive. And we bring him back. It takes 2 hours. Somebody else have to drive? I think twice. This is called the madhyam karmani is there. So this person doesn't do pitriyagya. Why? Bole, how much pandit will take if I do shraddh? How much? 500. 500 he will take. And shraddh, I have the purchase also from Manilal, Ratan Lal. Kya naam hai? Acha. So they Ratan Lal? Ratan ji, acha. Hum naam hi badal liye. So you have to purchase also. Oh my God. Can you give me the cheaper one? Manilal. Okay, what is this cost? This is 100, this is 100. Well, my God, Pandit is also taking. I will give him less money. Which Pandit takes less money? I'll call that person. Otherwise, I'll put the TV, cassette and CD, and cassette will do shraddh. अच्छा, भूत यज्ञ हुआ नहीं, पितृ यज्ञ हुआ नहीं, मनुष्य यज्ञ, I will call those people who call me. I won't distribute food like that. I won't give food to anybody like that. अच्छा, हाँ, ब्रह्म यज्ञ, I don't know too much of scriptures, etc. And first one, Deva yajna, that I do, regular puja I do, little, without flower, because flowers are expensive. So just without flower, I do some little puja. Akshat is there, Vishnu Sahasranam I come, I take somebody else's flower and do all these things. So, I'm very good in sharing others, not mine. So this is madhyam karma. At least he does very little. God doesn't have. No, he is very, very clever. He can catch your cleverness in no time. And last is what? Adham karmani. Adham karmani is nishiddha karmani, which I give pain to others and cancel the laws of the God. I benefit by harming others. So spiritual fall or spiritual retrogression is there. Not zero spiritual. Fall is there. I am tremendously angry person. Tremendously passionate person. I steal some things. This Adham Karmani is there. I hope it is clear. I lie a lot. White lie is there. I shouted on my parents. I shouted on every time I get angry on my parents. This is all spiritual retrogression is there. In which I am fanning my anger, I am fanning my lust, I am fanning my ahankar so that my mind will be more disturbed with the age. with the aging, if mind is more disturbed, then there was some big flaw in our actions. That means three things. Ahankar, Rag, Dvesh have been, they are called Rakshasan in Atmabodh. Rag, Dvesh, Adi, Rakshasan. These Rakshasas I have fed, and therefore I will be more disturbed. This is called Adham. Karma Yogi's attempt is to, dominant is Uttam Karma, he does Madhyam Karmani also, and almost zero is Adharm Karmani. Got my point? Dominant is Uttar Karma, little of Madhyam Karma is also required, and zero, he tries to have this proportion of Adham Karma. Okay. Understood. But drinking, Adham Karma, because it doesn't benefit anybody. By your drinking, you don't put on good health. Adham Karma? Yes. Okay, go ahead, Swamiji. Is smoking Adham Karma. Why? Nobody benefits. Nobody benefits by your smoking. Who benefits? बोले आप तो पीछे बढ़ गए मार, you are after me. No, who benefit? You tell me. Rather it is passive smoking is there. Others are also getting prasad. Unnecessarily others are suffering. No, I don't smoke in front of everybody. But environment, you are polluting the environment. 10 cigarette, 20 cigarette, one packet costs how much? 29? Medium brand. 40, 100 and. So in 1 month, I think you must be spending 4,000. 1,000, 2,000 rand. Why don't you donate this amount? Give to some poor person. But this is Adham Karma. Why? Not benefiting anybody. My anger doesn't benefit anybody. My ahankar doesn't benefit anybody. My stealing, supposing I'm a thief, it doesn't benefit anybody. This is called Adham Karma. So Karma Yogi recognizes and he tries to reduce all that. Okay. Now I'm coming to No. योग. अरे योग तो भूल ही गए. कर्म, अभी तो कर्म चल रहा है. बोले ओहो कर्म, योग is remaining. Yeah. So योग is remaining. But let some unavoidable, supposing adham karma is there, unavoidable, like, killing the mosquitoes, or what, vegan spray is there, cockroach, vegan spray is there, vegan, acha, see, all these sprays are there, they are called sunaha in our technical language. They are called unavoidable adham karmas. Unavoidable adham karma, they can be neutralized by doing more uttam karma. Supposing I have troubled you and I realize that I troubled you a lot last year, then it can be neutralized by this year I should serve you more than and say sorry. But something I can't do, I have to kill somebody. Not somebody, I mean some things etc. Then it is unavoidable. Even when you cook food also, dal and all these things, there are certain worms also. Worms are there in the rice. Weevils are there. So some people, in our childhood they used to separate it. But very, eyes are not okay. You can't separate. So then that is also cooked. It is cooked. Not possible you have not eaten non-veg. So it is cooked. It is the way it is like that. And then the pain that I gave, I neutralize by doing more of these yajnas and seeking forgiveness. This was unavoidable. I hope it is clear. Now coming on to yoga, called proper attitude. See, in karma and yoga, karma is important or yoga? Both are important, but more is yoga important. Well, what is proper attitude? Proper attitude always is born out of right understanding. Okay. Achha, this watch I am holding on. This is my watch. right? Supposing I drop this watch from the top, law of gravity takes care of that. Anything as you hold on, universal law don't hold it. But moment you drop that, universal law, which is under the possession of Ishwar, it holds it. As long I am doing action, it is in my hand. But moment actions are over, it is given to the universal law. And that universal law is in the hands of God. That means you are offering that action to the Lord. And what he does, he reprocesses it. Processes it. Processes what? Actions. He processes the action. Acha, this person went to Haridwar. What he did? He took Ganga bath. How many times he dipped inside? He didn't dip, only from here. Okay. Why? It was cold. Okay. Acha. All process is going on. Then did he give donation, charity to pandas there? No. Why? He went away. He didn't give any money, any charity. Beggars he gave? No. Acha. Didn't give beggars? No, nothing he gave. Acha, did he offer argya while in Ganga? No argya. Acha, but any fruit is there? All the wind from he came from South Africa to this much is there. Money, father's money he took. Whole process is going on. No cunningness works here. Each and every aspect. What was his attitude while he was taking bath? He was thinking, no, his attitude was okay. He was very happy that day. Acha, he prayed? He prayed. Acha, He gave any kind of good words? Yes, he speaks very well. He never hurts by his speech. People were happy? Yes, it was happy. Charity, nil. Words, he spoke well. Bhav was good. Money was somebody else's. All these things was processed was there. Last, what he wants? What is his want? What was his bhav? What was his wanting? He was wanting a good son and a good wife. Not possible for next birth. Next to next birth he will have it. But he will have a good wife, good looking wife, who cooks well, but her age will be short. Why? Because he didn't take dubki. So, and he came out very fast because water was cold. Acha, this is there. What about the son? Son he will have, but because he didn't give charity, son will not give him lot of money. This is called processing. At least he went there, he had prayed, therefore he will get. Because he never spoke hardly, therefore wife will be very soft spoken. Rarely to get such wives. So that kind of wife will be there. Bole, that some jeev, search by any jeev who is soft spoken jeev. Yamraj, bole, this is their jeev, this jeev. Make this jeev this person's wife. Let them live together for 40, 50 years. That's it. Long association is not possible. Child will be good, but he will not give him money. He will be talking nicely, but he won't give him money. Nothing is accident. By chance, by luck. And what happened ultimately? Ultimately what happened? How your action went, where? In the hands of universal laws. Hand of universal laws in the hand of God. Actually, all your action are going to God. And from Him is coming the fruit. He recycled your own action, processed it, and gave it back to you. Okay. Men, when you know this fact, that I am giving the actions to Lord, your attitude towards the action will change. This is called Ishwararpanam. Why? He should give me properly, He should not give me something bad, he should recycle. What you give, he'll process that only and give it back, Right? Bole, okay. So now I think I have to give the action to Lord. That means and what will be your attempt? To please Him. How? Through your action. Yat karoshi, yadashnasi, yat juhoshi, dadasi yat tapasyasi kauntya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Do it for me. Do it for me means you get pleased. And whatever you get in your life, it is His prasadam now. Good, bad. In prasadam you don't have. So, what is the bhava aspect in Karma Yoga? Attitude, what is there? Attitude is not that I am doing very big action by, I am not obliging anybody. Right? Pitriyag, because of me Pitra are happy. It's not like that. Because of me I have got the Sundarkand printed. Not like that. Because of me Guru is happy. Not because of that. I am offering to the Lord. I am offering to the Lord. And whatever good, bad you are getting, Bhaiya, it is coming from God. Prasad, when you get, you don't think it is tasty prasad or not. Nobody asks such question. Prasad is tasty. If anybody asks, he is not right. Why? Bole prasad is prasad. You take prasad with both the hands, like this, you put it on your head, and then you eat prasad, whatever is given. Prasad is not taken anything like that. You can't take prasad with the left hand. I see some people taking left. Left hand is a sign of insult. So right hand prasad should be taken with both hands. Not, this hand should not be on the top. This hand should be on the top. You have to take, you can't take like that. Anyway, you take the prasad. When you take prasad, no, it can be very bitter situation has come today. Never mind. When I was studying, so one day one brahmachari came. He said, I am leaving the course. So, I will not tell his name, because he came in South Africa also. So, Acha, now you have aroused more curiosity. Why you said like that? No. So, one day he came to me, I said, I'm leaving. I said, why? Bole, our teacher scolded me, I didn't do the wrong thing, I'm leaving the course. I said, but the same teacher gave you also, no? He gave you many things. When knowledge was there, he gave you joy through knowledge. If he scolds, then it is fine. So let him scold. Take it as a prasad. So when something good is given, you take very well. Prasad is in the buddhi. What is the locus of prasad? Buddhi. What buddhi? What buddhi is there? Cheerful, grateful acceptance of everything what is unavoidable. फिर से बोल देते हैं. Cheerful, grateful acceptance of those people, those health disease, those money status which is unavoidable. You gave me, I accept it. But I have a disease, never mind, I accept it. Well, such a son I got, I accept it. I accept it. Remember one thing, through that prasad, you have to do arpan again. What you can serve only what through that which you have. Which you don't have, you can't serve. I can talk, I can serve the Lord through the audience that I have. Through the audience which I don't have, I can't serve Lord. You can come in the vehicle, which vehicle? Which you have. You can't come with somebody else's vehicle. Well, but his is better. Mine is Toyota. Acha? You get Toyota here, no? Mine is Toyota. And what he has? He has Audi. He has Audi. It is very audible. So, I have Audi. Mine is a Toyota. See, I have no idea about cars, etc. Neither I have driven, neither have any interest. So what shall I do? Whatever I have, unavoidable. I have less money. Shrink your demands. Accept it. I have this son, my daughter, leave it. What? God has given. When you have arpan buddhi and prasad buddhi, then karma gains a special glow, and then it becomes Karma Yoga. What happens with this Karma Yoga? You are having equanimous mind. Today, if I get some abuses, I'll go through it. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Achha? What is meant, I have to go, I will go through it. If I have to hear some bad words, I'll go. If I have a pain somewhere, I'll go through it. I'll take the medicine. But even after medicine, I have pain, I'll go through it. It's a part of Bhagwan ka prasad. This is called Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. What happens? You enjoy every action and you enjoy everything what you get also. What happens that your response changes. You react less, you respond more. You are not angry on some unconducive, why I got it. You don't say why I got it. You say whatever I got, I will please the God. Full stop. It's okay. It's okay. I have no grudge. I have no problem. It's fine. And nobody's life, everything can be fine and comfortable. It was not in Bhagwan Ram's life, not in Bhagwan Shiv's life, not in Bhagwan Krishna's life. Is it clear? This is the sign of Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi. I told you just now, the sign of pure mind is it gets less shocked. Why? Ahankar has gone. You know how Ahankar expresses? I want this only. You can have your priority. Well, I want, you want tea or coffee, Milo, Nesquik, क्या है Nesquik और क्या है? Hot chocolate. What you want? I want cappuccino coffee only. Cappuccino coffee, yes. Supposing it is not there, I'll throw everything. I don't want anything. Swamiji. Why he is giving me ordinary filter coffee? Ordinary coffee when I want cappuccino. Why remain quiet? You can say, I prefer, if it is not there, I'll take something else also. I'm not saying kill your want. I'm saying don't put on the driver's seat. What driver's seat, whatever I get, I'll fold my palms like that. Remember God for 2 seconds. Thank you. And I'll start that. But my husband is so ill, I have to nurse him day and night. Never mind. The action of performing Vishnu Sahasranam or puja or abhishek that you do and serving other with the Ishwar Buddhi, there is no two fruit. Sometimes bandage is also one ritual. Sometimes pressing the head also is one ritual. There is no difference. Therefore Bhagavan says, Yat Kuroshi. Whatever you do. This makes the mind less reactive and less sad. Why I am getting this? So Ahankar decreases. Rag Dvesh decreases. You know why Rag Dvesh come? What I got, I want more. He is very close to me. Come, don't go to that person. Come very close. We should be very close together. I should not lose you. Why Dvesh? What I want is not giving. I don't want. My selfish wants are loosened. What was this? That was to tell it is loosening. My selfish wants are loosening. It's okay. It's fine. You are happy? I am fine. You are fine? Yes, I am fine. Happy or fine? See, I am fine, I am trying to be happy. I am not bad. I am fine. But slowly I will be happy also. Acha? Yes. This is called Chitta Shuddhi, which was the aim of Karma Yoga. This has made your heart lighter and head illumined. We have such nature, head is dark and heart is heavy. Go, stomach is heavy, it's okay. But heart should not be. Because it will be light after some time. Stomach is heavy, you have Gaviscon and all these things, 1-2 hours it will be. But heavy heart doesn't get light so easily. It takes some time, days together, hours together. A new issue comes to make it heavier now. Problem is this, Chitta Shuddhi. So what is my result? I understand that all problems of the world are not caused by the world, but because of wrong handling of the world. I control my handling capacity, my attitude towards action, attitude towards people, attitude towards what I have to do. This has gone through 180-degree transformation. I hope it is clear. Not that when you say I am a changed person, it is not that body has changed or hairs have gone grey or earlier I used to have beard, now this is not a changed person. Changed person is that issue which was giving you, worldly issue which was giving you sorrow, either it is not giving you sorrow or it is giving you lesser sorrow. And selflessness which was not giving you joy, it is giving you more joy. You say, Swamiji, I want to serve more now. Why? I love it. I love it. But earlier you were running away. Anywhere seva work come, you just went to the car park and drove away. Without telling anybody. But yes, I was like that, but I want to do something now. I can sweep the floor, I can, wash the dishes. Any work is there, I can give some little time. Right now, after some time, I'll give more time. But please don't hesitate to give me any call, any time is required. I just want to give. And even if you don't say, I will search something and do something. I feel I'm more happier by doing this. It gives me more joy. I feel God is happy. I feel Guru is happy with that. And that is what I want. Money, I will get anyway. Clappings, well, I don't want. I had a desire, but it's okay. I feel the God clapping from inside, that clapping is sufficient for me. I felt Guru has clapped for me from inside, that clapping I hear more loudly now than this external clapping. And their clapping means everything for me. Your attachment, your aversion, your hatred, your anger, your ahankar, your competition, comparison, well, all these things I have, but I want to get rid of it. This is called Chitta Shuddhi and this is called Karma Yoga. In the destination towards the moksha, this is the first step. It will make your mind quite available to the God. It will make your heart more available. It will make your personality more lighter. You are more cheerful. You are more quieter. And this, how long this will take? It depends. How long the room will take to clean? So what question you will ask? You never give the answer. You will say, which room is this? And then you ask, how long it has not been cleaned? 5 years. 5 years not been cleaned. This hall, I think it will take more time. No, clean in 2 hours. No. 5 years it has not been cleaned. Everything, I'll take 1 day at least, 1-2 days at least to clean. More is required. Here we are not clean since birth together. He cleaned his mind in 2 years. Mind is still such a junk. It will take time. Have patience. Go slowly. But you are sure it will be clear. This is Karma Yoga. I hope it is clear. I thought I'll complete yesterday, but it took 2 days. Tomorrow I will say Initial Upasana Yoga, which is integrating body, mind, intellect. Tomorrow, integration of body, mind, intellect to prepare to launch ourselves for bigger Upasana. With this quiet mind, a person is not very, very disturbed. A disturbed mind can't do upasana. Disturbed mind needs the area of action.